The fox who couldn't stop sneezing.
Achoo! The fox woke up, sneezing. Achoo! Achoo! What's happening? He sniffed. He walked outside. Achoo! The birds flew away. Achoo! The rabbit jumped in surprise. Achoo! Even the leaves shook. The fox frowned. I can't stop sneezing. Then he noticed something. Tiny yellow flowers right under his nose. He stepped back. Silence. No sneeze. He smiled. Oh, it was the flowers. He walked away happily. No more sneezing. But then he leaned close again.